You want to know something stupid? Who wants to know something stupid? Nobody. Who wants to know something cool? Everybody raises their hand. Everyone's like, yo, me, over here, you know, me. It's like, woohoo! Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. And it's, no one gets it. Wow! I'm sorry. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I can't believe I'm recording this. Wow. So just in case you were wondering, I've not gone crazy. I'm lying. I've been crazy since I was four. I think it was right before then. I'm about to miss my show. Just kidding. It's gonna be like 3 hours. It's not about to be missed. Wow, a cow just moved on my computer. I'm gonna go. Peace.